students, welcome you all to Think Max. We are in class 10 Max, chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. In this session, we are going to discuss about exercise 8.2, question numbers 2 to 4. So, with this session, exercise 8.2 will be completed. So, question number 1 is in the previous video. Its link is given in the description. Okay, children? So, question number 2, choose the correct option and justify your choice. So, the question is 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. So we have to calculate this value and check whether this value matches with the options given. So what is tan 30? Do you all remember the table? Yes. So the tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So let us check for what value the matches. So 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So let us start the solution. So what is tan 30? Tan 30. So tan is here and the 30 degrees here. So it is 1 by root 3. So go straight to turn and come down to 30 degrees. So 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. So 1 by root 3 whole square. So 2 into 1 by root 3 is 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 square is 1 root 3 whole square. So root 3 whole square is nothing but root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 we can write it as square root of 3 into 3. So if the number appears in pair inside the square root, the answer is that number. So the answer is 3. So 2 by root 3 divided by 3 is the LCM. Take 3 as LCM. So it is 3 plus 1 in the numerator. So after that what will happen? We have 2 by root 3 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3. So I am going to take the denominator 4 by 3 to the numerator. So it will turn to multiplication and it will reverse. So 4 by 3 will become 3 by 4. So it is 1 2s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. This 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. So here we have 2. So root 3 gets cancelled. So the answer will be root 3 by 2. Okay children. So 1 root 3 gets cancelled. So it is 1 root 3 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So we have root 3 by 2. So the answer is root 3 by 2. So which answer matches for this? What is sine 60 degree? So sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So sine 60 is the option. Okay children. So the answer sine 60 degree is correct answer. Okay. So moving on to the next part, second one, 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. So let us calculate the values. 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. What is tan 45? Tan 45 is nothing but 1. So we know the table tan 45. So tan 45 is 1. So 1 minus 1 square divided by 1 plus 1 square. 1 minus 1 square is 1 divided by 1 plus 1. What is 1 minus 1? 0 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. So 0 by anything is 0. So the answer option D is the right answer. So moving on to the next part, third one. Sine 2a equal to 2 sine a is true. When a is equal to, so for what degree sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a. So let us check from the table. So this is the sine values. So let us put values for a. So what is given? Sine 2a equal to 2 sine a. So let us take a is equal to 0 degree. So what happens? Sine 2 into 0 degree equal to 2 into sine 0 degree. So 2 into 0 is sine 0. So 2 into sine 0. So what is sine 0? Sine 0 is 0. 0. Here 2 into what is sine 0? 0. So both are equal. 0 is equal to 0. So for a is equal to 0 degree, this is equal. Suppose let us take a is equal to 30. So if we take a is equal to 30 degree, we get sine 2 into 30. On the other side, we have 2 sine 30 degree. Sine 2 into 30 is sine 60 degree. On the other side, 2 sine 30. What is sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. 2 into sine 30 is 1 by 2. So here we have root 3 by 2. So on the other side, 2 gets cancelled. It is equal to 1. So it is not equal. So only for a is equal to 0 degree, sine 2a will be equal to 2 sine a. So you can check the values for 45, 60 and 90. For everything it is not equal. So only for 0 degree, sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a. So the option A is the right choice. So moving on to the fourth part. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. So we have to find out this value. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. So what is 2 tan 30? So let us find the value of tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So tan is here, 30 degrees here. So the value is 1 by root 3. So substituting the value, 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So we have 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 square is 1, root 3 whole square. So already we saw root 3 whole square can be written as root of 3 into 3. So if the number appears in pair inside the square root, the answer is that number. So the answer is 3. So 2 by root 3 divided by 3 is the LCM. So in the numerator we have 3 minus 1. So calculating 2 by root 3 and taking this to numerator, this 3 minus 1 divided by 3 will become 3 divided by 3 minus 1. So 2 by root 3. This 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 gets cancelled, 1 root 3 gets cancelled. So the answer is root 3. So whose answer is root 3? Cos 60. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So it is not correct. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. This is also not correct. Tan 60. So tan 60 is root 3. So the option C is the correct choice. So this root 3 value matches for tan 60 degree. Okay children. So next question. Third one. If tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3, A plus B lies between 0 degree to 90 degree and A is greater than B. So these are the conditions. We have to find A and B. So let us take the table. So this is the table. So what is given? It is given that tan A plus B equal to root 3. So whose value is root 3 in tan? Tan root 3 it is here. So its value is 60 degree. So for 60 degree, tan A is equal to root 3. So it means A plus B will be equal to 60 degree. Okay children? The same way we have tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. So whose answer is 1 by root 3 in tan? For 30 degree. So for 30 degree, tan is 1 by root 3. So A minus B should be 30 degree. So we have two equations, 1 and 2. So if we solve 1 and 2, we will get A and B. So how do we solve? So solving 1 and 2. So here we have plus B and minus B. So if we just add, B gets cancelled. So 1 plus 2. A plus B equal to 60 degree. A minus B is equal to 30 degree. So we are adding, the signs will not change. So plus b and minus b gets cancelled. A plus a is 2a. 60 plus 30 degree is 90 degree. So a will be equal to 90 degree divided by 2. 2 is in multiplication, so it will come to division on the other side. So 90 degree divided by 2 is 45 degree. So a is equal to 45. So we can substitute a is equal to 45 in 1. Okay, children. So in 1 we are substituting a is equal to 45. So 45 plus b equal to 60 degree. Then b will be equal to 60 degree plus 45 will become minus 45. So what is 60 minus 45? It is 15 degrees. So we found a is equal to 45, b is equal to 15. So what is a plus b? A plus B is 45 plus 15. So 45 plus 15 is 60 degree. So A plus B lies between 0 to 90. So it is not greater than 60 and it is greater than 0. So we found the correct value. A greater than B? Yes, A is greater than B. So 45 degree is greater than 15 degree. So all these two conditions are satisfied. So the value of A and B are A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 15 degree. So this is the correct answer. So with this, question number 3 is completed. So moving on to the last question. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. So sine A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B. So let us check this with the table we know. So we have to take some values. So first let us take 0 and 30. So for the first part, I am taking A as 0 and B as 30. So it should be equal to sine 0 plus sine 30. Okay. So sine 0 plus 30 is sine 30. So here we have sine 0 plus sine 30. So what is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. What is sine 0? Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So both sides we have 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So this is equal. So let us check for some other values. So I am going to take 30 degree and 60 degree. Sine 30 plus 60. On the other side, sine 30 plus sine 60. Just substituting, A is equal to 30, B is equal to 60. Sine 30 plus 60 is sine 90. So this is same. What is sine 90? Sine 90 is 1. So what is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So it is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. So this is not equal. So for all the values of theta, sine A plus B is not equal to sine A plus sine B. So this is false. So only for 0 and 30, the equation satisfies. For 30 and 60, doesn't satisfy. So this equation should satisfy for all the values of theta. So if it doesn't satisfy for 1 degree or 2 degree, it is false. Okay, children? So now, second part, the value of sine theta increases as theta increases. So here, theta is in ascending order, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So it is increasing. Now check the value of sine. It is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 is 1. So it is in increasing order, 0 to 1. So it is increasing. So sin theta will increase as theta increases. So this is the right, that is true. Next, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. So check the cos table. It is 1 to 0. So theta is increasing 0 to 90. But cos value is from 1 to 0. That is, it is reducing, decreasing. Okay. So cos value is decreasing as theta increases. But it said the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. So this is false. Third one is false. Next, sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Is it so? No. So check the table. For sin 0, it is 0. Cos 0, it is 1. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. So all the values are different. So this is also false. Next one, cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. So 0 degree, what is the value of cot? It is not defined. This cos by sine, that is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. So it is true. So you must all know this table thoroughly. If you know this table thoroughly, you can answer all the questions easily. Okay, children? I hope you can understand all the problems. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. Okay, children? Thank you. Thank you for watching.